Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show to you the way how to customize your home screen in iPhone. So basically this is my home screen right now, and the way to customize it, there will be like several ways. So the first way is changing the background. You can change the background of your home screen by open the settings, but today this video will focusing the way how to arrange all of the application on your home screen and how to remove or adding the widget on it. So first thing is to add or remove the application from your home screen here. So let's say here I would like to remove this setting from my home screen. The thing that you have to do is just go click and hold while dragging a little bit this application until the rest of the application start to be shaking. Again, click and drag a little bit, and the will like start to be shaking. The next thing you need to do, if you want to remove the application from your home screen, you just need to go click this minus button, and then you just need to go click remove from your home screen, and those applications will be removed. They also work for the widget. So I already have this 3 widget on it. If we want to remove one of the widget, you just need to go click this minus button on the corner, and then you just need to go click remove. And if you want to add the widget, this is the thing that you have to do is just go take a look on the top left corner. There will be a plus button there, so you just need to go click this plus button, and they will bring you into the widget that you can use here. So you just need to choose what type of widget that you want to have. If you want to have the weather or forecast, you just need to go click it. And you can also choose the style or the type of the forecast or weather information that you want to use for the widget. So you just need to slide it into the left side and find the best widget that you want to have. And right after you found it, you just need to go click add widget, and they will bring you into the home screens right away. And you can also still adjusting or arrange it into this specific position that you want to have by click and drag it into the area that you want to place them. Click and drag. Right after you're done, you just need to go click done. So how the way you add the application, you just need to swipe your home screen into the left side until you find this app library, and then you just need to find what application that you want to bring into the home screen. Right after you found it, you just need to do the same, click and hold, and then you just need to drag it, and then you will have an option to arrange those applications into your home screen. So basically that is the way how to customize your home screen in iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.